Here's an interesting problem. I thought I'll make a video on this. And the problem is the computer won't turn off. So here is the demonstration. And I'll show you the quick fix. And now this fix doesn't apply to every computer, but it works on Windows 10 and 11. So here I'm going to try and shut the computer down. I'm not touching anything. And you will see the computer will just magically come back again. It's rebooting instead of shutting down. So the way to fix this is, in this case, this is the fix. So just right click on Start menu, Run. We're going to open Control Panel, Control, Enter. And we want to go into Power Settings. So System, Power, change any of those there. Okay. And you want to turn off Fast Startup. So change, apply, save changes. Okay, now here we go. Power and shut down. And what happens? Let's see if the light will go away. It's off. See? Great. Power it on. And it turns on properly now. There we go. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.